Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use rip tools in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now go to Smart Dimension, this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 100 and this line distance 20 and this line dimension 20. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now here extrude from mid plane 100. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to reference geometry and plane. Now select here, flip offset. Now give the value 20. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair sketch. Select. Now give the dimension, this point and this line dimension 20 and this point and this line dimension 20. Select. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select rip tools. Now here rip from both sides. This is one side. This is both sides. First side and both side and second side. Now I am going to select both sides. Now you can use hair degree. Now I am going to select 10 degree. Okay. Now add 10 degrees. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plane height. Now go to linear pattern. Now here select this axis. Now here go to feature and face. Now here select rip. Now give the value. Now give the value direction to 30 and select 3. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plane white. Now go to here select fillet. Now select here and here and here. Now give the value 10. Okay. Now go to this is fillet. Now give the value 20. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to select shaded. Now you can hair fillet as you wish. You just move here. Now just here select fillet. Then okay. You just move here. Now check here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to metal use. Now select here appearance and metal. Now select solid metal and select the solid color. Solid color select. You can use any color. Now select this color. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. How to save this file? Now I am going to file and select save as. Now go to select folder, desktop. Now select part name, rip tools, save. You can save the PDF or JPG, PDF, PDF or JPG. I am going to select PDF format. Now go to select file desktop. Now here select the name, rip tools. Okay. Now I am going to here select the JPG, save as. Now here select JPG. Okay. Now select here desktop. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class one to one you can join anywhere in the world.